Hello, today we are going to learn how to play C major chord and also G major chord for Ode to Joy. So we are going to use, for C major chord, we are going to use our left hand. We are going to play C, E and G. This is C major chord, triad. Then we are going to use the third inversion of G, that is D, G and B. So we are going to use this one, fifth finger, third finger and the first finger for C, C, E, G, then fifth finger, once again our third finger, and or you can use this also, okay, whichever you are comfortable with, okay. Once again D, G and B, okay, C, G, C, C, G, C, G. Try to repeat this again and again. Change from C to G. C major triad, G second inversion, C major triad from the root note, okay, and G second inversion. Keep changing this for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Once you're comfortable, add the melody.